What's up, guys? I'm just going to do a quick little review on this Bulletproof Hitch. This is by far the most heavy-duty hitch I've ever seen in my entire life. I mean, I've had B&W. B&W is a great hitch. I've had your regular hitches. This hitch is a man's hitch. I got the extreme duty, and it's heavy. The extreme duty has this extra shank right here. The ones that aren't extreme duty are going to have this fin right here just welded to this. The extreme duty has this extra thing, this extra shank right here. I got a 2.5-inch receiver. The damn thing's solid. Hello, it ain't hollow. It's solid. This thing is probably 60 pounds right now. I mean, it says the 2 5/16 ball, and this is ready for 30,000 pounds. Ain't no bumper pull pulling nothing 30,000 pounds, but it's nonetheless it's ready for it. But this thing's probably 70 pounds right here. It's a beast. It's pretty much just like your standard B&W hitches. I've only got one attachment. It's got a bunch of different attachments. You can get steps, stabilizer bars, pintle hitch, anything you want you can get, they make it. This is just your standard 2-inch and 2 5/16 balls. This thing's probably 20 to 25 pounds, just this. But it's basically just like any other hitch that's adjustable. You got your holes, I think it looks like to be in 1-inch increments. So you just get your pins, stick it whatever height you want. Stick it in there like that, and then you got your standard pin like this, and you can lock them. I'm telling you, this hitch, you're never gonna have to buy another hitch. You probably would never have to buy another B&W hitch. I've had them before too. I like them. I had somebody that wanted to trade for a B&W for this, and I hadn't had one of these yet, and I wanted to try it. They were both pretty much brand new. I can say without a doubt, this is the most heavy-duty, strongest, baddest hitch on the market ever made. For one, like I said earlier, it's solid steel. I mean, most hitches are hollow right there. Just this sucker is solid. Hello. But like I said, if you're interested in the B&W hitch, I wish I had some more of the attachments. The pintle hitch, little thing, it's got a step. There's a lot of stuff you can get for it, like a tow hook, you know, the little shackle thing, and they all just apply the same way. You pull the pins, take this out, or if this is low enough, you can put the shackle up top, just put the pins in it. It's bad, but I'm just going to do a quick little review on it. I've been super happy with it so far. I feel bad for whatever Prius runs into the back of my Super Duty and hits this, because my truck's going to be fine. This is going to stop a Mack truck. I'm telling you, this sucker's bad. But I just want to do a little quick review on it. I got it. Like I said, I traded my B&W for this. The guy in Mississippi, I met him or whatever. But you can get these on Amazon, and I believe they're on Amazon Prime. And if you buy it off Bulletproof's website, it's not going to come in like 2 days. So, but I'll post a link to these on Amazon, and just be sure whenever that you, if you click the link, just be sure like I got a 3/4 ton truck, I got a 2.5-inch shank, or 2.5-inch shanks. What it takes, they go up to a 3-inch, which is just absurd. Most of your half-ton trucks, all your half-ton trucks are going to have a 2-inch. So if you click the link, just be sure you're going to, what size shank you want, and you can order whatever you want from there. But I was just going to do a quick little review on it. It's bad, super reinforced, strongest hitch I've ever seen, heaviest hitch I've ever seen. It's basically ready for what a gooseneck is. I mean, it's nuts, but just doing a quick little review on it. Like I said, I'll post a link on Amazon to it, and if you like this video, just please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm always trying to put out different do-it-yourself stuff, or reviews and things like that, but just kind of wanted to hit this up real quick. Appreciate y'all. God bless.